Good morning, dear students. Today's GK session is very interesting. You will like because today's GK session, first we will solve some puzzles regarding pairs. Then we will frame some new words, and then you will solve some questions regarding stories. So I hope you all will enjoy today's GK session. So pay all videos properly and then complete in your GK textbook. So let's start our today's session. Okay students, open your GK textbook. Lesson number 18, pair them together, page number 21. Okay, now see. Here what we have to do, help the animals to add a word from below to each board to form correct word pair. Here different words are given. You have to find out that words pair from here, from this box. So here we have to help this animal. See here, butter, socks, woman, paper, knives, saucer, thread, vegetables, the moon and sister given. Okay, so fruits and what we will write? Vegetables. So fruits and write down here vegetables. Vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Then needle and what we use with needle? Thread. Needle and thread. Right? Then salt and paper, right? Sorry, third here, the sun and the moon. Okay, salt and paper. P-E-P-P-E-R, paper. Brother and you all know sister. Shoes and socks. Very easy, or all pairs. Man and woman. Forks and knives. Knives, okay, K-N-I-V-E-S. Bread and butter. You apply, no? Butter on bread and then we eat. Cup and saucer. Okay, so this is our first lesson, means lesson number 18, but today's GK session's first lesson. Lesson number 19, solve this on page number 22. Now see here what you have to do. Find out the words using the clues. The answer ends with the letters highlighted in the given word. Do you know a lullaby is a song sung to put the children to sleep? Right? Lullaby is a song when we are kids, small, too small. At the time our mother used to sing this lullaby to make us sleep. Right? Now see here what we have to do. We have to find out the word using the clues. Right? The answer must be end with this letter highlighted red. Okay? So a large sweet on a stick. What we call it? Lollipop. See, pop is here. So lollipop. 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 Second, stomach. What we call stomach? Tummy. Right? T-U-M-M-Y. Tummy. Right? Then third, a cat's baby. What we call? Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Then a house for a dog. What we call it? Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Then rain in small drop. Drizzle. Right? We call it drizzle. D-R-I-Z-Z-E-L-E. Then intelligent. Clever. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Then a place for children to study. Where we study? School. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Cars and bicycles move on it. Wheel. Right? Wheel. Okay. The rabbit's favorite vegetable? Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Okay, so this is our lesson number 19. Okay students, lesson number 20, famous stories, on page number 23. See, look at the pictures of some famous characters from books. Match the character with the story. See, here you have given some famous character of storybooks, right? You have to find out the correct story with this picture. Stories name of the stories are given here in the yellow box, right? Brer Rabbit, Madeline, The Wind in the Willows, Peter Pan, Where the Wild Things Are, and The Cat in the Hat. Okay, now let's see one by one all the picture. First, see, this is the character from which story? Peter Pan, right? So D. If you have not read this story, then find out this story and try to read it. Okay? Then second, okay, this character is from the story Where the Wild Things Are. So E. Where the Wild Things Are. Okay, then third, Madeline, right? So where is Madeline? B. So write down here B. Then C. This is fourth one. Fourth one is with F. The Cat in the Hat. Fifth. This is from Brer Rabbit. So Brer Rabbit is here in A. Brer Rabbit. Then sixth. This is from the story The Wind in the Willows. So 6 with C. So first D, second E, third B, fourth F, fifth A, and sixth C. Okay, so do this in your textbook and try to find out all this story and read it. You will definitely enjoy it. Okay, lesson number 21, fairy tales, on page number 24. See, answer the following questions based on some popular fairy tales. Tick the correct answer. Here some questions are given from some popular fairy tales. Find out the answer. If you have again not read this story, read this all story. Okay, let's start. What is the name of the girl who met 3 bears in the forest? Here Snow White and Goldilocks is given. So we will tick here Goldilocks. Though in our textbook the name is given Curlylocks, but here Goldilocks given, so we will tick the Goldilocks. How big was Thumbelina? So the name itself tells that Thumbelina is the thumb size girl, right? Then third, whom did Red Riding Hood meet while going to her grandmother's house? To whom he meet? A wolf. Okay, when he going to her grandmother's house. In which story does a man go to sleep for 20 years? Rip Van Winkle, not Lazy Jack. Okay. Who came from the magic lamp when Aladdin rubbed it? See here, this is Aladdin. And when Aladdin rubbed it, who came out? Mustafa or a genie? A genie, right? Okay. Name the boy whose nose grew longer whenever he told a lie. Whose nose grew longer? Aladdin or Pinocchio? Pinocchio, okay? So, tick here near Pinocchio. Okay, so if you have not read this story, read it and complete this lesson in your GK textbook. Okay, students, lesson number 22, Higgledy-Piggledy. Here are some lines from classic rhymes that children love to recite. Fill in the blanks to complete them. Use the clues given below. Here some lines from popular classic rhymes are given. You have to complete this rhyme with the help of these words given here. Okay, so see. Porgy, Bessie Brooks, Hector, Jackadandy, Humpty and Tweedledee. Okay, first, blank protector was dressed all in green. Blank protector was sent to the queen. So here first, which word will come? Hector. Okay, so write here Hector. 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 Here also Hector come. Hector. So Hector protector was dressed all in green. Hector protector was sent to the queen. Okay. Now second. Tweedledum and Blank agreed to have a battle, for Tweedledum said Blank had spoiled his nice new rattle. So here Tweedledum and Tweedledee. So write here Tweedledee. 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 Okay, third. Blank Dumpty sat on a wall. Blank Dumpty had a great fall. These you all know, Humpty Dumpty. Okay, so Humpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Okay, fifth one. Georgie Blank Pudding and Pie kissed the girls and made them cry. So, Georgie Porgy. Pudding and Pie kissed the girls and made them cry. Then, Handy Spandy Blank loved plum cake and sugar candy. Handy Spandy Porgy. Okay, Handy Spandy. Again here Porgy. Handy Spandy Porgy. Okay. Then sorry, here not Porgy, Rabbit. Here we will write Jackadandy. Jack, Jackadandy. Handy Spandy Jackadandy loved plum cake and sugar candy. Okay. Then as Tommy, Snooks and Blank were walking out one Sunday, says Tommy Snooks to Blank, tomorrow will be Monday. Here will come Bessie Brooks. Okay. So write down here Bessie. Bessie. Bessie Brooks. Again here Bessie Brooks. Okay, so read all these rhymes one more time and complete this.